Cadillac boy. Welcome back to another video. Came by here Cadillac to make a quick little video for a subscriber that wanted to know how to remove the door panels, the rocker panels on a 1989 through 1993 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. I'm going to give my way of removing them, since I've already have experience taking them off and then putting them back on, and also the do's and don'ts, so you don't happen to break your panels and stuff, because it's very easy to break them. But yeah, without further ado, let me quit talking and go ahead and show y'all how to remove these panels, guys. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way back from that one, and then I'll show y'all how to take off the door one right behind the front tire. I'm going to show y'all how to do that one, and then also the rocker panel that goes all across the bottom of it. Alright, step one, you're going to have to open your trunk in order to get access to the bolts that hold that on. Alright, pardon my mess. Let me go ahead and move a few things so we can get access to there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull back on this mat. We're going to pull this to the side like that, and as you can see, there's two nuts right there that we're going to have to take off. Alright, we're going to use a 10 millimeter wrench. You can use also a 10 millimeter socket, but this is all I have right now. I'm going to go ahead and take those two off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put these somewhat in a safe place so we don't lose them. Now we're going to go underneath the car up a nut that's in here. Let me see what size that is. Like I said, 10 millimeter little bolt. I apologize to y'all, I didn't bring my socket set in order to get these things off, but you get the idea. You take those two off, and then this whole panel will come off. See, it's already loose. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, if your trunk pull down ever goes bad, go and get the relay first, and other than getting the whole motor, trust me, everybody thinks that it's the motor that went bad, and then they end up getting the whole thing, the relay plus the motor put together. It just costs a lot more money. Yeah, 9 times out of 10 it's just a relay. I love this feature about the Cadillacs. Alright, next is the back. See that right there? That's another little 10 millimeter, it's like a plastic nut. So you got to loosen that one first, and then you go underneath. There's 3, so 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna go ahead and undo those, and then it's being held by clips 1, 2, and 3. And what I usually do is I just slide the whole thing off to the left. For the front doors, the same thing. 10 millimeter nut there, 3 Phillips head screws underneath there, 3 clips, undo those, and just slide it on out. For this one right here, it's gonna be 2 Phillips head screws right there, and then you're gonna pull this plastic cover back or to the side, and in the back of there's another 10 millimeter nut that you have to unscrew. All right, for the rocker panel, you're going to undo these little screws right here with a T15 Torx bit. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then you're going to have to go underneath the car, and as you can see here, screws right here, you're going to have to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 that run all along here. I want to go ahead and get this fixed right here, the turn signal switch. That's probably going to be one of my upcoming videos on the car. Another mod that I want to do is I want to go ahead and dyno mat the floors on the car. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. I just wanted to show y'all how to take off these panels, so whenever or if you ever go to the junkyard and you're trying to take these off, you don't do the mistakes that I made in breaking them, trying to take them off. But go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos like this one. But that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.